Chinese characters are so hard to remember. What can I do to remember all these Chinese characters? 你好, welcome back to Changfan Learning. I'm Chang. Today we'll be focusing on how to recognize and memorize Chinese characters quickly. There is this one term that I want to introduce to you, which is called radicals. Radicals are common components used in Chinese characters. Understanding Chinese radicals is essential for mastering Chinese characters. Rather than remembering all the strokes of a Chinese character, it's sometimes easier to remember the radicals. Because radicals have related meanings and they can help you to understand the meanings of the characters. As you study Chinese, you will notice a repeating pattern of radicals being used. By the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of the most common Chinese radicals and how to use them to recognize and memorize Chinese characters. Let's dive in. The first radical we'll be looking at is the "rén" radical, which means person. This radical is found in many characters related to people, such as 你, 他, 伴. The second radical we'll be looking at is 口, which means mouth. The mouth radical is often used for sentence-ending particles, such as 呢, 嘛, 吧, or mouth-related words. 嘴 means mouth. 吃 means eat. 喝 means drink. The third radical is 日, which means day or sun. This radical is found in characters related to time or day, such as 明 or 时. The fourth radical is 心, which means heart. This radical is found in characters related to emotions or feelings, such as 愁, 怒, 想. The fifth radical is 手, which means hand. This radical is found in characters related to action, such as 拿. Sometimes another form of this radical looks like this. And example characters are 推, 拉. The next radical is the speech radical. And this radical is found in characters related to speech, speak, or language, such as 说, 词, 语. The seventh radical is 木, which means wood. The radical is found in characters related to plants or trees, such as 林 or 树. The next radical is 水, which means water. This radical is found in characters related to liquid or moisture, such as 海, 河, 潮. The ninth radical is 火, which means fire. This radical is found in characters related to heat or flames, such as 灯 or 烧. The final radical I'm going to teach you today is 土, which means soil or earth. This radical is found in characters related to soil or land, such as 地 or 城. There are many radicals that you can learn to help you recognize and memorize Chinese characters faster and easier. Feel free to check out the Common Chinese Radicals PDF that I made for you, and the Chinese Characters Worksheet generator link in the description down below. The key point of learning Chinese characters is understanding the meaning of the radicals, so you can use them to learn new characters, and it's easier for you to remember the meaning of the characters. Don't forget to incorporate regular practice into your language study routine to reinforce what you have learned. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful for your Chinese learning. And I will see you in the next video.